Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this round corner in Adobe Express. In order to do that, first of all, you have to log in into Adobe Express with your free plan, or you can just buy a premium version. Now from there, after logging in the Adobe Express, you will get to see this kind of interface. Now just simply click on the plus icon, or you can just simply open your recent project from your recent option. I will just simply click a I will create a new project. Now, if you want to customize your size, you can just simply click on the customize. You will get the option to customize, but if you want a preset which is square or landscape or portrait, I will just simply click on the square. Now, you can choose images from over here, or you can just generate AI images, or you can upload your own images as well. For example, I will just simply upload my own image, as you can see here. Now when I click on this image, this option will appear in front of you, which is corners. Just simply click on corners, and as you can see here, whenever I increase the corner rate roundness, image is getting some roundness effect. So this is how you can round a corner in Adobe Express.